Okay, so Sanjay has been asking about TRIG, TRIG, and I think it's a he. He has posted this, and he's asking that he's having trouble outlining the next waves. So I have here the hourly chart for TRIG. Clearly made a 5-wave impulse up. As you can see here. And then what happens after 5 waves? You have to have a requisite ABC correction. Okay. How do you know that the C wave of the ABC correction is done? Well, the first thing you have to do is count 5 waves down. C waves always have 5 waves down. Remember, when you have a C wave like this, you can have 5, 3, and 5. That's called a zigzag. Or you can have 3, 3, and 5. That's called a flat. Okay? So, regardless, if on ABC is going to be an ABC, and whether it's a zigzag or flat, wave C will have 5 waves. So let's look at this wave C. Let's see if we can count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's one indication that can give you an ability to lean towards the confident side that the ABC is done. What is the other indication? The better indication that there will be a trend reversal. And that would be this here. And if this can give 5-wave impulse, so we need to look for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of this. And now for this 2, for this 1, 2, this could be A, B, C. There could be another, because this is a lot of overlap. So it looks like that, maybe. Okay. And I'm not saying this will happen, but if this is wave 1 of 3, there's a lot of overlaps. An impulse should go very nicely. Should have a very nice form like that. But when you have a lot of peaks and all the heights are overlapping, there's no crescendoing effect of the height price increasing like what you're seeing here. It looks more like, and that's not an impulse. So I think there could be a C wave down, Now this could go higher. I can give an expanded flat, but I don't think so. So I'm thinking 1 ABC, which will give, 2. And then it'll go from 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So that's what I'm thinking on TRIG. That is the primary count. The alternate count is an impulse. Ugly as it may seem, it'll give an impulse to the 3 wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the destination will be the same, but whether it'll be in this format or whether it'll be this format, and from here going up, doesn't matter, destination should be the same. Okay, so that's what I would point out. And with regards to the primary and the secondary counts, but overall it should go up because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is done. I also want to point out a pattern. Okay, so when there is a peak, like right here, and it doesn't go higher anymore, let's look at the horizontal resistance here. There's a lot of resistance levels. Okay, and it was good to see this burst out, but it bounced off here, and it may do the same thing. So there's a lot of horizontal resistance. But also, when I draw the line here, this also tells me that this may come down, maybe to 0.56 area and touch this line of support and bounce off. The worst case scenario could be this. But I discount that because usually wave 4 is not as explosive like this. So that would be the worst case scenario in my opinion, but which would mean that the bottom is not yet in for the C wave. But I believe from the looks of it, it is pretty much in. And we should get this impulse wave. Now once we get a higher high right around here, then you can get a pretty good additional confidence that we're going to start getting this impulse. Alright Sanj, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. It took me a while to post because getting access to Steemit has been brutal today. It's been down, and I guess the DDoS attacks are just constant on Steemit. The bastard hackers are at it again. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.